Today we're going to use few tips to make the macros pop using the free features in Lightroom and Snapseed apps. I have opened this image in Lightroom app. Basically, I'll be doing two edits for this image separately. First one, keeping the bug in my mind, I'll try to pop it. I won't be considering any other part of the image here. So first, decreasing the highlights to get more details on the bug. Also increasing shadows. Popping the whites to make the brightest parts more bright. Again, I'm taking only the bug into consideration here. Now to the HSL sliders in color menu mix. Moving the yellow hues towards orange. Increasing its saturation. Also increasing the saturation of the oranges on the bug. Increasing the vibrance too. Going to the detail menu, sharpening the overall image. I'm going to save this now and revert back to the original state by restoring all. Now I'm going to keep only the parts other than the bug into consideration, increasing the shadows, darkening the blacks more, in the color menu mix, moving the orange hues towards yellow, reducing the saturation, yellows towards green, greens towards aqua, reducing the saturation, also brightness of the greens. Bringing down the vibrance too. In the effects menu, adding bit of vignette. Now we'll save this as a separate copy. Opening the same image in Snapseed app, I'm going to immediately use double exposure to add the first saved image on top of this. Setting the opacity at 100, going to the masking screen. With the image hidden and brush value set at 100, we'll roughly brush on the bug to reveal the part of the image. Now with the brush value set at 0, zooming in and brushing out the effect carefully on the edges. Taking a bit of time to get a perfect selection here. Applying it. Using selective filters to reduce the saturation at the bottom. Also adding selective filters on the bug to make it pop more. Adding vignette with vintage filter which gives the bug more pop. You can try dodge and burn with a brush filter to make it more interesting. Also use the lens blur tool to make a vignette with blur. Tuning the curves to get the final contrast. Another example here on this spider image, popping it separately in Lightroom by increasing its overall brightness. Adding some color to make it pop more. Saving it, then restoring to original state. Next, bringing down the brightness and getting the colors dull. Also adding cooler tones. Bringing down the clarity, saving it. Using Snapseed, adding both images saved with double exposure. Using masking to reveal the detailed image of the spider. Darkening the distracting parts. Adding vignette to make the surroundings darker. The final result here. Now to make these water drops pop. Here I will use the linear blur filter to make the parts in the center pop more. The final result here. Hope you found these tips useful and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.